How to deactivate your Instagram account. Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to deactivate your Instagram account. So in order to deactivate your Instagram account, first of all, make sure that your application is up to date. So to deactivate your account, you'll not be able to do it with the help of an application, or you'll not be able to do it from here. So basically you'll have to log in from the web browser. So then to log in from a web browser, open up a web browser of your choice. On the web address bar, type in www.instagram.com and log in into your account. Now in my case, I'm already logged in, so just enter in your credential and log in into your account. So after you're logged into your Instagram account, now you'll be taken to this kind of field. Over here, you'll need to tap on the profile icon from the bottom right hand side corner of your screen. This is going to direct you to the profile page, and once you're on the profile page, tap on edit profile from the top. After that, you'll be able to see all of the information, and right over here you can also make changes with your information. But then to delete or deactivate your account, tap on temporarily deactivate my account. Since you're deactivating your account, you'll be asked to select the reason for deactivating your account. Just type in the reason, and after that you need to enter in the password in order to continue the procedure. So enter in the password. Now quickly enter in the password and tap on temporarily deactivate my account. If the information provided seems to be valid enough, then you'll be receiving a statement stating that your account has been successfully deactivated for 30 days, but after 30 days your account will be deleted permanently. Tap on the continue button, and then you've successfully deactivated your Instagram account for 30 days. In this way you can deactivate your Instagram account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.